Hey everybody, quick video just going over your assignment from yesterday where you were asked to draw Bohr models. You could have picked any two of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, out of the 6. I'll kind of do like a representative one, or two, like one from this side of the periodic table and one from the right side of the periodic table, just so you can kind of get the idea. If there was a specific one you're feeling confused about, let me know so I can make a video. But I don't want this to go too long with me making 6 Bohr models because I have a feeling you guys wouldn't watch it then. So again, I'm just going to do a quick Bohr model from the left side of the periodic table, quick Bohr model from the right side of the periodic table to go over your assignment from yesterday, and then if you have specific questions, you can let me know. So let's go ahead and do magnesium. So first, let's find magnesium on the periodic table, right there. Again, I decided I'm going to do magnesium. No specific reason other than I feel like it. Alright, now to draw a Bohr model. I know my first step is going to be the nucleus. So that is not a circle. So let's try that again. I want a circle. There we go. Alright, there's my nucleus. I'm going to make it a different color just so I know it's the nucleus and not like my first energy shell. Let's make it green. Whoops. Not what I wanted to click. If we go right here, let's make it green. Okay, well, it's not green, so whatever. That's the nucleus. We are then going to put our energy shells. And how do we tell how many energy shells there are? Well, we count up and down in the periodic table. So 1, 2, 3. Alright, I see magnesium is in that third row, so it should get 3 energy shells. Let's go and do that. Oh, my shells are green. That works. So, there's the first one. Let's just grab that. There's the second one. And here's the third one. A little too big. Alright, so I've got my nucleus and my 3 shells. Now we need to place the electrons. How many electrons is it going to have? Well, I've got to look at the atomic number. I see the atomic number of magnesium is 12. So let's put 12 electrons on here. I want my pen to be nice big so I can add the dots. First energy shell only gets 2 electrons. That's always and forever. It only holds 2. Second energy shell, it can hold up to 8. So we can fill it up with 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. That gives me 10 total, right? Because 2 plus 8 is 10. Which means I need 2 more to get to 12. So 2 more on my most outside shell. And that's going to be the Bohr model for magnesium. Again, what I did was figure out how many shells there were by counting down, figured out how many electrons there would be using the atomic number, then I started to place them. Alright, let's go ahead and do one from over on this side of the periodic table. Let's see, we can do, how about chlorine? Alright, so chlorine. First step is going to be to figure out how many energy shells I have. This is magnesium. Now I'm going to do chlorine underneath. Okay. Well, my first step is to actually draw the nucleus. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. So, nucleus, I guess it's pink this time. That's fine. Now we want to draw our energy shells. So I see chlorine is actually also in this first, second, third period. That means it gets 3 total shells. So let's go ahead and add those 3 total shells. One, two, and 3. Okay, now I've got my shells, I've got my nucleus. I need to add my electrons. How many electrons will chlorine get? Well, its atomic number is 17, so I think it should get 17 electrons. Let's go ahead and place those. I'm going to make sure I've got the right pen, and there we go. So, first energy shell. Easy. I know it only holds 2. Done. Alright, that leaves me with 15 more electrons to place, right? Out of the 17 it has, I placed 2. So let's go ahead and work our way out. Let's fill up this second shell with another 8. Great. That gives us 10 total, right? 2 plus 8 is 10. That means we need 7 more. So on our valence shell, I'm going to place 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And there's my Bohr model for chlorine. If you have specific questions about any of the ones I didn't go over, please ask me. We can Zoom, I can make you a video, I can email you. Just let me know how to help you.